What's up, my friends? It's Rollins coming to you again with another contemporary modern video. This week's topic is about open floor plans and how they impact the overall feel of a contemporary modern design property. If you like the video, think it might be useful for one of your friends and family members, or just an enthusiast, then like and subscribe and please share. All right, so just kind of walking around this property. I'm in a very nice townhome in Uptown, contemporary modern design, open floor plan, and I just want to pan the camera around so you could see how open the concept is. This, like the natural lighting, which you can see this property incorporates a good amount of, is very important for the idea of a contemporary modern design property, especially in this day and age. So one of the things that I like to look for is a very warm, open feel. I prefer lighter colors because it gives it an even larger feel. Add in the natural lighting that we talked about in the last video, as well as the just spacious plan. I mean, look at this. And then I'm gonna bring it back. This place has a dual fridge setup. And you can see, just looking around, that this property has a really, really cool, spacious layout. This is a key feature I look for in every contemporary modern property that I show and that I just personally look at to like myself. I actually really like this one for myself. But the purpose of this video is just to give you another little look into what makes contemporary modern contemporary. So if you have any questions about this one, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Any comments, feedback, love to hear from you. Let me know what's on your mind. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you on the next one.